Hey everyone, welcome back to the CSS tutorial series. I'm Abid Hussain. In previous video, we learned the basics of CSS animation, how to use keyframes and some another stuff. Now in today's video, we will see the examples of that very animations, and we will cover bouncing ball, text typing effect, we can see pulse effect. Also we'll see the some another examples by which we can understand better the CSS animations. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Let's create a folder on desktop with the name of CSS animation examples, like animation. Sure. Now let's open this folder, and we will open this folder in you can see me setup coded, but I am using this main surf. Let's open this first, then let's open that is emissions. Let's select this folder. This folder is now selected. Sure, let's create a file here with the name of index.html, or you can say bouncing ball. And let's start with basic HTML boilerplate and see bouncing ball. Let's right here first create a division. Call and give ID or class, whatever you want. I will give the class of bar. Now and I will give some text in it. Let's open this in our live server. That's fine. Let's run in project. So this is our bouncing ball animation. You can say that. Now we will style now and add animation. Let's style here. Sure. Now give the firstly I will style somehow body, make a center, mix everything in center. I'm giving display flags, justify content center, and align also center, and I'm giving height 100 vh, and also I will give width also 100 vw. Sure. Margin should be 0, and border background color should be FC. Sure. Let's see. Now let's see. This is our now style a ball. This is our ball, but I will give a background color like red, and text should be also to display flags, and center color should be this. The file will be in the center of this division. Sure. After this we will call animation here like bounce. Then we define that animation here like your bounce should be transform be translate like y, like up down, like, and it should be 0 on 0%, and 20% it should be -50 or -150, whatever you are. And after, again it should be on 100%, it should be again 0. Let's see this. You can see this is how we create bouncing bar. This is how we can see, very easy to do. I hope you will do, or you can do also. Let's do another, you can say, example, like you can see the pulse effect, and then create another file like pulse effect.rest. Sure, let's do the basic with the basics of HTML. Say pulse effect. Now write, give me a button, make a button, click me, and then give some basic styling. I'm giving some style body. You can see run this very file. This is our button in the center of. Now style somehow to our button. Let's target the button now. And border, allow this transition. This is our button. Let's give some font size increase. Let's 30 pixel. I increased some font size rate. Now let's give border radius some 20 pixel box like this. Now increase like 50 pixels. Is some bullet button. Go and increase some, you can say, padding top to bottom. Suppose left to right padding. Left to right will be x6 here. Suppose 50 pixel. And a little bit of decrease little bit for 25 pixels. Now clicking some. Now let's define the animation here. Animation pulse, it should be 1 second and it should be infinite times. It should be work at infinite. Now let's define keyframes pulse, that is on 0% scale 1. When it reach 50%, it should be 1.1. When it reach 100%, it should be again 1. Let's see. This is how we create pulse effect. This is very easy examples I am showing you, and it is very beginner friendly. These are very, you can say, beginner friendly. We can see it. Suppose if you want to increase this, you can see. This is how we can create a pulse animation. If we have some image, we can also do with that. Suppose heart icon, if I have, we can use. Suppose I will show you with the heart icon. Let's go here and go CDN JS font awesome here, and font awesome. CDN I will copy here. Let's click here and copy this one. Let's paste this in here. This is font awesome 7. Now go to the font awesome website. Here, over here, let's all icons. Let's here search for heart. I will get heart icon here and copy it, then go here and let's keep and let's remove this. Let's check. We can see how or what we did here. I give font pixel 100% and give color to red and animate pulse 1 second, then pulse animation is different. Okay, so I think you understand better this way you can see pulse. Thanks. Now third one is text typing effect. So let's create basic HTML boilerplate code and say typing. Let's go here and let's define that too. With class typing animation. Now let's add some style here. I will firstly define this typing class here and let's remove this. This is an AI code editor, that's why giving me codes in the part. Here I will give width firstly 14 ch characters. Sure. If I have we can see more characters, I will give 14 characters. Then now I will define the animation. So I will do typing, suppose 3 seconds and 14 steps because it has 14 characters of width and also forwards means we go forward. Then we will define another animation, blink 5 seconds and step and infinite and it should be order. Sure. Now over this thing I will make you understand first everything. Then white space should be no wrap and overflow should be hidden, and border or right should be 2 pixels solid, but that shouldn't be instead of color right now. Then we will define the first typing, then this. Now let's define the typing and width should be 0 from 0 and another 50% background color should be transparent. Sure. Now border color should be transparent. Now let's we can see, let's run this file in Visual Studio. We can say code editor. This is typing works. If we can see the 12 characters and steps also let's and not 3 seconds, let's go 2 seconds. So it's 3 and blink should be this is how we create typing effect using, you can see CSS, and also we will give border icon well here. Also here should be color. Our family will change. More here we'll give some style to body. This is how we create typing effect using CSS. Like that, you can create things whatever you. And on last, at last, we can see another thing. We can make a loader or we can say spinner. This is our last but not least. Let's say spinner.ht here. Sure. This is also, we can say, very simple and beginner friendly. Here I will say spinner animation. Let's add here class with order. Let's style it. First style the body. Just add here. This is our, we can say, basic style to make everything in the middle of the screen. So here is width is 50%, 50 pixel, and height is 40 pixels. And border width is 5 pixels, and solid is red. And border radius is 50%, means it is circle. Then we define animation here, define linear, and we define this animation right here. We can spin, rotate, and 360 degree. Now we can see how this is. And one another thing we should have defined here. We should give only border, only suppose border outside left. Like that you can create. And another thing will be here. If we you do not use this, if we use here and then we can see transform, rotate 360 degree. Now we can is working same as before. Now if we can say water border. Please have a color. Looks more professional. Sure. You can whatever color you want. Whatever color you want. Now now you can change the style also, like professional. You can here fashion. Wherever you can dotted any sort of thing what you want. Okay? But here we feel only in say red part is moving, but in that we everything is like moving, but actually it is moving on, but we feel like only red part is moving. And that is we can say it for today. We explored some fun CSS animation examples, bouncing ball effective to typing text effectively, same laundry also. I hope this gave you new idea to make your website more interactive and engaging. This is you can say Abid Hussain, and thank you for so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel for more CSS tutorials. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.